One second, someone seems okay. The next, they're unconscious and barely breathing. It's terrifying, and in many cases, it's fatal. But there's one simple, easy-to-use medication that can bring someone back: Narcan. If you've never heard of it before, Narcan, also called Naloxone, is an overdose reversal drug that's been around for decades. And here's the thing, it's so safe that it doesn't hurt to use it, even if you're wrong about someone overdosing. So today, we're talking about what Narcan is, how it works, how to use it, and why more people should carry it. So let's start with the basics. What is Narcan? Narcan is a medication that reverses opioid overdoses. It works by attaching to opioid receptors in the brain and blocking the effects of drugs like heroin, fentanyl, oxycodone, and morphine. Basically, it kicks the opioids out of the system and forces the body to start breathing again. And the best part? It works fast, within 2 to 3 minutes. That's life or death in an overdose situation. Narcan comes in 2 main forms. A nasal spray. This is the most common and easiest way to administer it. Just spray it in one nostril. That's it. An injection. This is mostly used by medical professionals and first responders, but the nasal spray is just as effective. Now let's talk about why it's so important to have Narcan on hand. Opioids slow down the body. They affect the brain's ability to control breathing, and in an overdose, a person stops breathing completely. That's what kills them. The rise of fentanyl, a synthetic opioid that's up to 50 times stronger than heroin, has made overdoses even more dangerous. Many overdoses today involve fentanyl, which means overdoses happen faster. People need stronger doses of Narcan to survive. A single pill or dose of a drug laced with fentanyl can be fatal. The good news? Narcan works on fentanyl overdoses too. You might just need more than one dose. Alright, so let's say you see someone who might be overdosing. What do? Check for signs of overdose. Are they unresponsive? Barely breathing? Turning blue? If yes, act fast. Lay them on their back. Tilt their heads slightly back. Insert the nasal spray into one nostril. Press the plunger to release the dose. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. If they don't wake up, give another dose. Call emergency services. Even if they start breathing again, they still need medical help. Here's the thing. Narcan doesn't stay in the body for long, only about 30 to 90 minutes. That means the opioids in their system could kick back in, and they could overdose again. That's why emergency help is still necessary. Let's bust some myths, because there's a lot of misinformation out there about Narcan. Narcan encourages drug use. Nope. People don't start using opioids because Narcan exists. That's like saying people drive drunk because ambulances exist. Narcan is harm reduction, not encouragement. Narcan doesn't work on fentanyl. It does. Fentanyl is strong, so sometimes you need more than one dose, but Narcan still works. You can sleep off an overdose. Nope. If someone isn't breathing, they will die without help. Opioids don't just wear off in time to save them. Only medical professionals should use Narcan. Wrong again. Anyone can use Narcan, and you can't harm someone by giving it to them, even if they aren't actually overdosing. Now, here's something everyone should know. Narcan is easy to get. Most pharmacies carry it, and in many places, you don't even need a prescription. Some cities have free Narcan vending machines. Just grab a kit and carry it with you. Carrying Narcan doesn't mean you expect to use it. It just means you're prepared. Just like learning CPR, having an EpiPen, or keeping a first aid kit, Narcan is just another life-saving tool. Overdoses don't have to be fatal. Narcan is safe, easy to use, and it works. If more people carried it, more lives could be saved. And if you think, well, I don't use drugs, so why should I carry Narcan? Remember this, you never know when you'll be the one who can help. You could save a friend, a family member, or even a stranger. In our next episode, we're diving into the hidden signs of fentanyl use, what to watch for, and how to help someone before it's too late. Make sure to subscribe to MedHeads podcast at meducate.com.au for more deep dives into the biggest health issues today.